Grey-headed bulbul. Distinct and dulcet tunes are the outstanding features of the bulbul family. Here are some of their calls. This call is that of a red-vented bulbul. This is a red-whiskered bulbul. A yellow-browed bulbul. Could you guess whose call this might be? Of course, with the previous references, one can easily discern that it's a call produced by a bulbul. But which one is it? It is the grey-headed bulbul. When you set out to search for this bird in the forest, you will have to recall this typical call in your mind, as this bird dwells in thick foliage and is very hard to spot. Although one can see it alone or sometimes moving in pairs or groups. Insects and fruits are the chief sources of food for the bulbul. Hence, there are chances to spot this bird if you patiently wait beside a bush laden with berries. The grey-headed bulbul has got another distinctive feature. It is found nowhere else on earth except in the western Ghats.